This is SG1 Olympia, but it's totally stuck. Tap does not works. So tap clear, tap set, any of them does not work. So I wanna know what is the problem, and is it possible to repair this? Let's see. I removed the carriage part, and then I found something wrong. It should be one of them go down, one of them go up. It's freely, but it's stuck all together. I'll show you the another one. See this one. It's one move, right? So another one. I mean the tap. If you push the tap key, that's the works. So it's a tap clear. It's a tap key. This is a tap setup. But right now, this one is fully moved like this. But this one together just stuck at the same time. That's why tap clear, tap key does not move because it was stuck. So if we remove this one of them, it will be works. Let's see. See, if you move this one, see, if I move this one, that's the tap setup. Then this part move together, right? Yeah, like this. Also, it's a tap clear. This one tap clear. If I move this one, this part move together. This one, see, but this is a tap key. If I move this one, it does not move this one. So it's the out of the holder. So you need to put back this one into here. That means maybe it will be works. It's working together. It should be go there. Let's see. If I move it for tap clear, then yeah, it's a whole thing move like this. That means it will be works. So I thought first time these two guys is too close, but that's not the problem. The problem is this the tap clear key inside there, the connection is disconnected. That's why. This is Olympia SG1. I took this cover from here, and then this one is behind. This one is the behind the carriage part, the long one. As you saw the video, this two key totally stuck. So I look at another SG1 and then SG3, and then the original position was right, but it's totally stuck. So I got some solution. So I'll show you. By the way, a couple days ago, from the antique typewriter collectors, someone asked what is the best or favorite standard typewriter. So a lot of people mentioned the SG1 and then SG3. Of course, some people on those 5, and then Adela, and then some Olivet M3s like a 2040, and then some the Remington standard, And then what else? Yeah, pretty much. But absolutely, Olympia SG1 and 3 is, I guess, is the most mentioned typewriter's name. This one is in order to look at serial number, we can see that here is a 7 and then 196028. Also, after take off the this carriage, we can also see the another serial number. This one almost same with the Adela Universal, Adela Standard, because I'll show you later this function and then this very nice function. Okay, before that, first look at the what I did for these two. Right now, it is not perfect, but still works. See, just stop the tap and then move slowly, because too many years they together stuck. So anyway, it works for clean and then set everything, but not very nice. I mean the perfect situation, but still works. Let's see inside. Okay, I remove this carriage from the main body. In order to do that, almost same. The Adela we used some like screw. So I use by hand screw, but this one not screw, just like this. Turn straight, make straight, forward, over, and then downside. This one same. Right now it is like it's horizontally, right? Make a vertical like this degree, and then we can take off this one. Be careful every time, it's very heavy. So a lot you can see a lot of the SM I mean the SG1 and 2, they broken this part because it's too heavy. Easily if you can break this one, so be careful. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, I did. This is a mainspring. The through code is original, so yeah, everything so far is original. And then let's see, there is another serial number right here. Okay, 7 dash hyphens it's 18 instead of that's a little bit different. So someone switched the carriage, changed the carriage. This is for the 187813. So as you saw the video, okay, this one is for the clear, tap clear, and then this one is the first tap. They together this one slot, but I checked the another machine. There are different, a whole different. This one is just one tap key, tap button, right? Tap key. But someone is like I don't know how many, 7 or something like that. That means each this slot they have a test tap function like this one. So this before this one get in there together, it's totally stuck. So I removed this screw and this screw and this screw and then this screw, and then took this part, the top one, and then I put the separate. I use the clear button, clear key, this side, this slot, and then this is tap stop. So if I push, then yeah, see, now it moves freely. So this is clear, same thing. See, yeah. Before they together using this large slot. That's the normal one. Normal. I checked another one. Yeah, that's right. But this one, I don't know why they maybe some bent around here. That's why it's stuck. So I tried to some lubrication, but still it does not work. So I changed my mind. So okay, then why not use the separate slot? Because another tap function, when I check, they use the separate. So yeah, that's the solution. After that, this tap key work, and then clear one also works, right? Yeah. Okay, but it's not perfect because too many years they stuck together, so carries it something move but very slowly. So maybe later getting better, especially this this body, this frame. Wow. it's a real motion. Someone mentioned they can survive the World War II. Right? Okay, let's assemble again and then look at some sample typing, and then more what is this typewriter's unique stuff. I'll explain. Okay, see, if you need to change the paper, we can put here, right, like this. And then if we use this one, then it's like right now this point, but if we change it like this dial, okay, and then let's do that again, and then here, and then like this. Always we can start the same area, same line, because we already set up this one. Okay, look at this one. So I will show you again exactly same position. Okay, yeah, let's see. Right now to finish, and then we put the new paper, and then use the same lever. See, exactly same spot, same. We can start the same spot from here, something like that, depending on this margin setup. So like setup, we can do that like here, then always like this area we can start. That's the another very unique thing. Yeah, or universal one has like this one, but this I can remember they has this one, yes, maybe, but this one is very huge range of the dial, so it's much better. Okay, that's the another unique thing. This one, and then this one, and then this is tension of the touch control, and then this is of course is change the ribbon color. But right now I put just one color, so any either way we can put use the same color. So let's see some sample typing. Thank you for watching.